Okay, so for this video I went to IKEA and I stole this. I bought this. It's like a jar. I don't know what you usually use this for, but we will use it for our terrarium and it will be very nice. And also make sure you take some plastic containers from your kitchen so you can put inside the dirt, stone and other stuff. And I will also take a knife. I don't have my regular knives in my room anymore, so I just stole one from the kitchen. Okay, let's go. So now that we made it into the forest, we will take our stuff out and see how it goes. So first off, we need to find stone, and I'm pretty sure we're not gonna find any stone because this is how the forest is looking. So I will just dig a hole and hope that I find some stone. Bleib hier, sure? Bruh. So the next step, the first step will be then to get some dirt, and that will be pretty easy. I'm gonna speedrun this real quick. Yeah, looks good. Ew, disgusting. Now that we found one item, now I'm gonna take a break real quick.
Враг сзади по левому флангу! Противник на северо-востоке! Противник северо-запад! Противник на юге! Они атакуют с юго-востока! Заметьте, противник на юго-западе! Вражеская!
Small doggo, very nice. Nice, I found some stone. I found some moss, but it's not good because it's like really thin and you cannot even peel it off. I think I'm just gonna peel it off then. Nice, this is perfect, look at this. You can just peel it off. I'm not doing a good job, but still, I don't care. I just want to real quick. I'm speedrunning this, no time. Ah, my camera is wet. Oh my god, I found a worm! I don't know if you can see it, it's really small. Oh my god, I made it! I will just take the whole block. Nice, let's find a big worm then. Imagine I find gold, that would be pretty surprising. It would be very nice. I'm gonna drop some more water and then wait a little. Okay, now I almost made it. I only need to find out the most hardest thing ever. I need to find some special looking cockroaches that live in the forest, and you need them so they like eat the bacteria and all of that kind of stuff, and they usually live in this kind of like wood, This is like broken wood, like really soft wood. Okay, this isn't soft, but it usually has to be soft. And they're inside, but there's no way I'm gonna break this tree. I'm gonna try, but I don't think it's gonna work. I'm gonna use my special knife for this one. Yeah, there's no way. I don't think it's even soft. It's actually really soft, but no, there's no way. You can't. There's like holes and shit, so maybe they live inside probably. I'm gonna try to break it. I hope the police doesn't come now. That'll be really bad. Oh, it's so hard, you can't even lift it up. I'm gonna try to cut it and see what's inside. I don't know how nature works and stuff like that, man. I'm just playing Minecraft the whole day. I don't know this kind of stuff. I'm trying my hardest, okay? I'm gonna break my knife. No, there's nothing inside, just like crap. I can just bend it, I swear. If they're not inside here, then I have to give up. He's looking at me. We found some people. This is really embarrassing. He's walking away, I'm gonna walk away as well. And then I'm gonna come back. I have to do it for science. Man, what the hell is wrong with the fire? It's wet as hell, but no one is inside. Oh my god. What the? Oh my god. Holy. Oh my god. Bruh. I'm such a pussy, but I'm scared, man. I don't know how things work here. Oh my god, I found it. No, it fell. Here, you see him, This one. Look. Holy. I'm gonna catch him. I'm gonna catch him. There's gonna be some wildlife experts in the comments. They're gonna be like, bruh, just catch with your hand, he's not gonna kill you. I'm just gonna say, bruh, this looks hella scary. I'm not gonna do that, man. This looks like an alien. Almost there. Oh, I have it on my stick. Oh my god, it's inside. Holy. Oh my god, I swear I have it. If he eats them worms now, that's gonna be really bad. But it doesn't matter, because I'm gonna make a terrarium anyway, so the strongest one survive. But I shouldn't take that wasn't the purpose, but you can also take that. I need like these mini cockroaches, but you know what? I'm gonna make a break now, because I'm scared and I need a break. Oh, I just realized I don't have my Adidas tracksuit. I scratched the whole jar, man. I just cannot. Okay, so I'm gonna take the big ass rocks and put them all the way down here. Oh my god, the jar is broken. Look at this, it's broken. I didn't even use it. Okay, no, it's not broken. I'm just retarded. Okay, it's not broken. I guess nice, I have no idea. As I said, I have no idea what I'm doing. Now I need to find some dirt. With the dirt here, look at this. Let's go. This is crazy. I didn't think that I would finish the video today. Yeah, I found some dead animal. I'm gonna leave it because it will... Is it even an animal? Yes, it is. It's like a dead snake. A snail, lol. This is good. I need way more dirt.